Watch me unmold an order of 3 custom domino sets, plus a free matching coaster set that came with it.
Original, 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 original. Lega, lega. One time. You can find me in the weekend. Ride around in the deep end. Oh yeah. Ain't no need for the pretense. Trapping it up with my real friends. It's a bad man thing. Them haters, them can't fit understand me. Flow so sick, man, I need some tetracycline. Rhyme star superior, never inferior. Check my interior, feel the material. Man, not a warrior, they cannot worry us. Breaking the barrier, man, just a carrier. Yeah. You can find me in the weekend. Yeah. Ride around in the deep end. Oh, yeah. Ain't no need for the pretense. Yeah. Trapping it up with my real friends. Shut it down. Every now and then we shut it down. Run me down. Them I feel one fee. Run me down. High grader, that Vader. Invader, stay on the radar. High grader, that Vader. Invader, stay on the radar. In the weekend. Yeah. Ride around in the deep end. Oh, yeah. Ain't no need for the pretense. Yeah. Trapping it up with my real friends. Original Batman.
Thanks so much for watching me unmold this domino order and the bonus coaster set. I always love seeing how each piece comes out. Every pour is a little different, and that's part of the fun. So if you liked hanging out and picked up a few gems, go ahead and like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so we can keep crafting together. Until next time, stay creative and stay bossy.